Unong ay kitien ka Sorkar MDA ubadayru udakhat ka kinhon menteri Bah Paul Lyngdoh ha kasantarik kalalingkan ula kerpat ya kaseng Henyo Trap National Liberation Council HNLC bakamde ban weng no na miej iakren iasuk kabdang ya chakmat bat ka Sorkar jela kumju ka Sorkar pedeng. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor, Bah Paul ula ong baka Sorkar kalayo iya kani ka jingsham rajo ka HNLC banweng no na ka iakren iasuk kabdang ya chakmat tangling ba kilat pathai kubor, hendrai kamsham ladan satya kanu ka jing ajing tip da ka jing tho syaka Sorkar kat hadu menta. Bah Paul ula ong ka HNLC kamde ban mi no na kani ka iakren iasuk na mar kilala ban pendap ya bun ki benta ki bayade bakani ka iakren bat ngikirman ban la ban penya shushu syakman bat bangi de ban la ban wan phai syaka miej jo ka iakren.
These talks because a lot of ground has been covered initially, and we would hope that good sense will prevail and we should be able to return to work in this heated meeting.
So do we see any meeting in this regard of Mr. Brahman meeting up?
Well, since both the Chief Minister and the Home Minister are out of station, I will not be in a position to say much. But certainly, government will take a call on the matter, and it should be happening very soon once the CM is back.
What can we see that immediately return?
Yes. Once the honorable CM and deputy CM in charge home are in town, this will be a priority matter.
One condition that HNLC has been having on was this grand and general amnesty that we facilitate for coming. So what's your view on this?
Well, it certainly can be considered, depending on the gravity of each of the cases. But certainly, yes, it should be, and it will be considered.
Cases like NIA has taken the
See, those are matters of detail, but in general, the approach should be that when you have peace talks, it should not be to the detriment of any section and to the interest of only one section. So it has to be reciprocal. Based on the principle of reciprocity, then only we can take a stand on matters of detail. But the general approach would be that has to be effective.